first, I'm making fudge, and that's going to go in the nose print cookies.
Is the fudge itself recipe just that?
Yes, it's just the fluff for nutter fudge. It's what my family's always used.
And then the cookie part of the nose print cookies is just cookie.
It's just a basic nose print recipe.
Or thumbprint. I like nose print better.
Nose print, yeah. Because, you know, my family used to joke, because we called the nose prints, because we said, when people said these cookies are delicious, like, thanks, we had the dogs help with the nose prints.
Yeah, see, that's cute.
That's cute.
That's cute.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
And that's...
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Well, you said once it boiled, then you would add...
It's bubbling up. I might just call that boiling, because it's getting dangerously close to the top.
So then you add vanilla and chocolate?
And then just stir until it's all together. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. That's boiling. Okay. Okay. You down. Okay.
So you put in some vanilla.
Put in some vanilla, and then we
Oh,
put in...
it's activating.
Back to the depths with you.
Chocolate. Like a witch's brew. Chocolate. So, we have fudge.
A very glossy fudge once it cools. These are some of your favorite cookies.
Mm-hmm.
Extremely sweet.
Yes. Well, my other favorite cookie is like a meringue cookie, which is just
sugar.
Just sugar. Just sugar and egg white. Sometimes other stuff, but you could just do it with sugar and egg white.
Depends what flavors you're going for.
Yeah.
So far, so good on this.
And I know we use like half the amount of sugar that every recipe online calls for.
Well, even on this fudge, I cut out a lot of the sugar because a lot of American dessert recipes just have way too much sugar.
Yeah. So.
And there's no real difference between like 2 cups and 3 cups of sugar. You're not going to notice the difference.
No. So I think that we can put the recipe in the description. It'll be the version that we use, which is based on the fluff one, but different.
Yeah.
Slightly less saccharine. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom.
So I don't think the fudge was fully boiling because it didn't like set. It's still gooey. It's probably not it's still good.
And you can stick them in the fridge too.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat one. It's pretty
You are
good.
extremely illuminated by the lamp.
Oh, I'm right here.
I know. That good, huh?
Oh, good.
Good. You're so tall.
I can't help it. I do want to point out, this is a lamp we installed, and we installed it as far up as it could go, because this was originally supposed to hang like here,
Yeah.
but I would have died. I still run into it every once in a while, because if I'm not paying attention, I'm standing up straight.
And these are not like the shortest ceilings in the world. It's just...
No, these are 8 feet.
8 feet.
Yeah, 8 feet tall. Maybe 9.
So. So. It is the next day. And these look like they've solidified. They have. They've solidified. No.
Roxy wants to be on camera.
You gotta wait.
Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, beautiful.
Not full. But it's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Cookie approved.
So rock on. And we will put the ingredients and everything in the
Doobly-doo.
description. Doobly-doo.
Doobly-doo.